The seventh sum is a plus I is 1205420 minus 3. And we have to find the product a plus I and a minus I. Let us first write down it like this. See what is a here? A plus I दिया है उन्होंने. 150247 02 minus 3. Now they have said that this is 1 plus a plus I. Okay, so what is a? We don't know what is a. But we know what is I. I is 100,010,001. And it is equal to the matrix 120,542,07 minus 3. So this is A and we don't know what is A, but A has to be a 3 by 3 matrix. क्योंकि सिर्फ 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स ही 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स के साथ ऐड होके एक नया 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स बना सकता है. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे A is 1502042 minus 3 minus 100,010,001. So it will be 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So this is your A. अब हमको A तो मिल गया. Now we will find out A minus I. क्योंकि A plus I तो already है हमारे पास. अब हम लोग A minus I निकालेंगे. A minus I. A क्या है? 020,530 07 minus 4 minus I क्या है? 100,010,001. It is 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 0, 7, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. This is A minus. So you have A plus I, you have A minus I. You have to find A plus I. A plus I तो दिया है 120,542. 07 minus 3. Now you can multiply this. After multiplication, you will get the product. And the product. Question number 6 में कोई issue है वो हम लोग sorry 7th में शायद. Question number 7th में कोई issue है that will solve. Now we'll go to 8. A is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. We have to show that A square minus 4A is a scalar matrix. So we'll first write down the matrix A 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. Now we need to show that A square minus 4A. तो हमको तो पहले ये मैट्रिक्स निकालना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए पहले A square निकालेंगे. A square क्या होता है? 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 into 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. So this will be, you will multiply this with this. It will be 1 plus 4 plus 4. Then this multiplied here 2 plus 4. Then first row will be multiplied with the third column, 2 plus 4 plus 2. Then here second row with the first column, 2 plus 2 plus 4. Then second row with the second column, 4 plus 2 plus 4. Then second row with the third column, 4 plus 2 plus 2. Third row with the first column, 2 plus 4 plus 2. Then 4 plus 2 plus 2. And then 4 plus 4 plus 1. This is 9. This is 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. ये हो गया a स्क्वायर. अब हम लोग 4a निकालेंगे. 4a मतलब 4 into matrix A, that is 4 into 488 848 884. Now a square minus 4a is 988 898 889 minus 4a. So it is 488 848 884. 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. And as per this, it is shown, this is a scalar matrix, because apart from the diagonal matrix, all other elements are 0. So this becomes a scalar matrix. And it is proved that a square, this is a scalar matrix. ये हमको verify करना था, हम लोगों ने कर लिया. Okay. Now this 9th one, if a is 10 minus 17, find k so that a square minus 8a plus ki is 0. तो ये कैसे आएगा? A square minus 8a plus ki, sorry, plus 8a minus ki है शायद, minus 8a minus ki, minus 8a minus ki is equals to 0. I तो आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है हमारा 1 0 0 0 1 0 वाला, बट a क्योंकि 2 by 2 है तो I इधर क्या होगा? It will be 1 0 0 1. Okay, so ki is equals to a square minus 8a. ये ki उधर चला गया तो ये हो गया. Now for the matrix A, which is 1 0 minus 1 7, you will find out a square and you will find out minus 8a. 8a भी निकालना पड़ेगा, minus 8a 1 0 minus 1 7. And then find after subtracting them, you will get something. Then we will find out the remaining one. तो ये इसका multiplication क्या आ जाएगा a square का? This multiplied by this 1 plus 0, then this will be 0 plus 0. Then here it is minus 1 minus 7, 0 plus 49. 1 0 minus 8 49. This is a square. 8a क्या होगा जाएगा? अब इन दोनों को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे हम लोग. 10 minus 849. Minus 808 minus 56. Their subtraction will be 1 minus of minus 8. This is 0 minus 0. This is minus 8 minus 8. 49 plus 56. Minus 1 minus 7. This will become 90 minus 16. के आए तो आएगा ही नहीं, के की वैल्यू नहीं निकाल सकते हम लोग इसमें. 10 minus 17. Let us try to solve this again because this is not coming. I'll solve it again. A is 10 minus 17. I have to find out a square. That will be 10 minus 17 and 10 minus 17. हो जाएगा ये, आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That will be 1 plus 0. Then this will be multiplied here. It will be 0. Then this is multiplied here, minus 1 minus 7. And this is 0 plus 49. It is 10 minus 849. Then you have to find out minus 8a. Okay, तो ये माइनस साइन की वजह से गड़बड़ हो रही है. minus 17 minus 8a will become minus 8 0 plus 8 minus 56. Now a square minus 8a, तो ये यहाँ पे a square हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी minus 8a की ही वैल्यू निकाली है, तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. 10 minus 849. It will get plus with this value क्योंकि ये minus 8a की वैल्यू है, तो ये प्लस ऑफ minus 8a आता है ना. हम लोगों ने 8a नहीं निकाला है, हम लोगों ने डायरेक्ट minus 8a निकाला, तो ये प्लस ऑफ minus 8a आ जाएगा. So it will be minus 8 0 8 minus 56. This will be 7 0 0 49 minus 56. ये minus 7 है, पण minus 7 ये. Now we know very well that they have said a square minus 8a minus ki is equals to 0. So ki was a square minus 8a, which is minus 7 0 0 minus 7. If I take minus 7 common, I will get 1001. So ki is minus 7 into I. So k is minus 7. वो कैलकुलेशन तब गलत हो गए थे. k is minus 7. Similarly, you can do the 10th one. See, they have given you a as 3 1 minus 1 2. You have to prove that a square minus 5a plus 7i is 0. a square म्हणजे काय, याचा square. 5a म्हणजे काय, 5 multiplied by this. And 7i means what? 7 into I. I is identity matrix, na unit matrix of order 2 by 2. 7i A is 3 1 minus 1 2. A square plus 5a minus 7i is equals to, you have to show that it is equal to 0. Minus 5a plus 7i to show that it is equal to 0. तो a square क्या आएगा? 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2, ये आएगा आपका a square. Minus 5a, minus 5 into 3 1 minus 1 2, and plus 7i. 7i is 7 1 0 0 1. And then you will just put it here and prove that it is equal to 0. A square हो गया, a into a, so it is 8 5 minus 5 3. Minus 5a, ये minus 5a है तो मैं इधर minus 5a ही निकाल रही हूँ. So we are multiplying a with minus 5. Minus 15 5 minus 5 5 minus 10 and 7i, that is 7007. तो इनको हम लोगों ने अगर ऐड कर दिया तो आंसर आएगा 0000, that is equal to 0. So it is proved that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equals to 0 for the given matrix A. Now this 11th, if a is 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 and b is 2a minus 1b, and if a plus b bracket square is a square plus b square, then find the value of ab. Now let us see this here, that otherwise a plus b whole bracket square क्या आता है? A square plus 2ab plus b square, ये otherwise आता है arithmetics में. लेकिन अगर if A and B are matrices, then A plus B bracket square will become A into A plus B plus B into A plus B. So it will become A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि if A plus B whole bracket square, if it is A square plus B square, it means AB plus BA is equals to 0, क्योंकि ये दोनों अगर 0 होंगे तो ये A plus B whole bracket square will be A square plus B square. तो इस केस में if A plus B whole bracket square is A square plus B square, तो AB plus BA is equals to 0. तो हमारे पास A तो है ही, A दिया है उन्होंने, A is 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. B दे दिया है 2a minus 1b. This is AB plus BA will be 2a minus 1b, and A is 1 2 minus 1 minus 2, and it has to be equal to 0. So you have to prove that this is equal to 0. तो ये इनका multiplication करो, add करो, अगर 0 आया तो you will get, see it is 0. We don't have to prove, it is already proved that they are 0. So it is equal to 0. So multiply them and find out AB. ये small a और small b की वैल्यू निकालनी है. It will be 2 minus 2. Then it is a plus 2b minus 2 plus 2 minus a minus 2b. That is 2 minus a 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2a, minus 1 minus b, minus 2 minus 2b. It is equal to 0. This is 0. A plus 2b, 0, minus a minus 2b, plus 2 minus a, 4 minus 2a, minus b minus, sorry, minus 1 minus b, minus 2 minus 2b is equals to 0. So obviously 0 plus, it is 0 plus 2 minus a is equals to 0, क्योंकि अगर ये 0 है तो this is a matrix actually having value 0 0 0 0. So 0 plus 2 minus a is equals to 0. So a is 2. अगर a 2 है तो हम लोग इसमें डाल देंगे उसकी वैल्यू या इसमें डाल देंगे उसकी वैल्यू. तो ये क्या हो गया है, माइनस a माइनस 2b, या फिर जरूरी नहीं है इधर ही आ जाएगा वैल्यू. इट इज 0 प्लस 0 माइनस 0 minus 1 minus b is equals to 0. b is equals to minus 1. These are the values of a and b.